Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, so we've got this C73 series padlock, or puck lock if you'd like to call it. I thought I'd do a quick video and rekey one for you, and we can rekey it together. So here it is here. I want to just see, quickly see how long it takes me. I use these keys here, so that padlock's done. Alright, so here's a little tool that I made, a Temu tool, and this will sort of speed the process up for me. So what I like to do is just gauge the key and find out what the combination is. Okay, got it. So first off, I'll take out this little grub screw. Bang, my cylinder's in my hand. How cool is that? I really like easy rekeys. I'll remove my key, and I'm going to use my screwdriver for cam screws. Do I have a container anywhere? No, I don't. So let's see how long this takes. Alright, I'm already at the plug stage. Pretty cool. Now the top housing's big enough, so I don't have to worry too much about my top pins. Bang. Now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we've only got 5 pins in there. So we're going to need some pins. Open this one up. Here we go. Okay. Let's see if... where's my tweezers? Where's my tweezers? They have a habit of disappearing, they really do. This is not included in the time, by the way. Right, so that's my old key, this is my new key. Let's just drop in some pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for good measure. So standard, it's a 5 pin, but it can be keyed up to a 6 pin, I think. Let's have a look. No. Nope. So 6 pin plug. Sorry, that's a 001 inner. That's a 001 inner, leaving the 6 chamber vacant. Okay, well, we have that. Okay, let's make sure we put this on properly. This is the first ever time I've rekeyed one of these. I'll just tighten up my cam screw and my little missing cam screw here. Okay, doesn't want to go in there. Let's just give it a little head start. Pop it in there like so. Tighten it up. So this screwdriver on a slight angle is new. I haven't had to do that. Chance of stabbing myself here because I've got to do these pretty tight so they don't come undone, and everybody's done that a few times, I'm sure. Okay, yep, that's on tight. Okay, let's put our little housing over the top, slide it back in like so. Okay, now we're sitting down flush. Put this grub screw back in. Make sure it's nice and tight with that blue Loctite on it. Beautiful. Key in, give it a test. Out it comes, in it goes. Out it comes, in it goes. Beautiful. And that's it. Rekeying the Carbine C73 series padlock or puck lock for the first time. It was pretty quick. Pretty impressive, available from our lock shop, and yeah, nothing to report. If you can rekey a 001, I don't think you'd have any troubles rekeying one of these. Thanks for watching.